If you look on Twitter or any other social media, or you start listening to what farmers are talking about, 60-inch corn is one of those topics that's been coming up. It really was worth exploring on NDSU's part to see how you can get the same yield, or within 95 to 100% of the yield that you would get on 30-inch rows by having your corn on 60-inch row spacing, and then have the benefit of having the cover crop interseeded. We have some work going on. Mike Osley and Kelly Cooper with NDSU are working on plots at the Carrington Research Extension Center and also the Oaks irrigation site. And then we set up some different on-farm plots at Tyler Zimmerman's, down at Joe Brecker's, and out in New Rockford at Mike Schaefer's, to really explore what some of these mixes might do and do a replicated study on it so we can more confidently tell farmers whether this practice is a good idea or not. Here at Tyler's in Leonard, North Dakota, is we had a pollinator mix where we had flax, faba bean, oats, winter pea, crimson clover, buckwheat, phacelia, and radish. And this one mix might sound kind of familiar because it's the one that we've used in sunflowers. And so the goal is to have some kind of cover crop flowering throughout the growing season to draw in beneficial insects. So we just took the mix we were using in sunflowers that were growing in companion with sunflowers, and we decided to put that in the 60-inch corn. Then the other mixes we chose: cereal rye, red clover, and vernal alfalfa. The goal of this mix was to have something over winter for next year. So when we come back in these fields and we're planting soybean or some kind of broadleaf crop into the corn stubble and also into this cover crop residue, how can we have something in there to continue managing moisture for that next spring?